Welcome to the best product review channel. Top 5 frying pans are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best frying pans from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these good to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Tefal Day by Day 28 cm Frying Pan. Best cheap frying pan. Despite its bargain price, this day-by-day pan from Tefal is far more than simply a cost-effective buy. It's suitable for gas and electric hobs and is oven-safe up to 175 watts. What's more, it has the classic and rather nifty thermo signal, which turns solid red once the pan is at the perfect frying temperature. Most importantly, the non-stick coating is super durable, so if you make sure to use silicone tools when cooking up your favorite dishes, this pan will last you well. In addition to all this, it's also lightweight, dishwasher safe, and has great heat. In all, it really lives up to its name as an ideal pan for day-to-day use. Number 2. Salter Megastone 28 cm Frying Pan. Best budget aluminium pan. While titanium is a light and somewhat indestructible option for a base, aluminium is where it's at for optimal cooking. Since aluminium heats very evenly, you can rest assured that all your food is cooking equally. This 28 cm Megastone frying pan from Salter boasts a forged aluminium body with additional coatings that protect it from light scratching and damage. This makes for a hardy base that looks as good as it cooks. It's also non-stick, suitable for use with metal utensils, though we'd suggest avoiding these to prolong the life, and even dishwasher safe, all for under £20. Number 3. Ninja Foodi ZEROSTICK 24 cm Frying Pan. Hard anodized aluminium. Ninja's mid-size 24 cm frying pan is an ideal addition to any busy kitchen, with a robust textured non-stick coating that's scratch-resistant and dishwasher safe. In testing, we put it through its paces on both an induction and gas hob, cooking a variety of foods such as fried eggs, fish, and rice. Even when dry frying, our food only occasionally stuck to the pan and any residue was wiped off easily, with no need for soaking. Another excellent feature of this pan is that it's oven safe up to a whopping 260 degrees centigrade, making it perfect for finishing off frittatas and other one-pan meals. If you need a versatile pan that'll last for years to come, then look no further. Number 4. Tefal Titanium Excel All-in-One Frying Pan. The best pan for steaming, draining, and stewing. This large, high-sided square pan is a chameleon thanks to its glass lid, removable steamer plate, and strainer spoon. It can be a pot, frying pan, wok, rice cooker, baking dish, or roasting dish. Metal utensil safe, its titanium particle-infused non-stick coating is reputedly 24 times more robust than Tefal's intensity coating, meaning you can flip and stir without stressing about scratches. The pan is dishwasher safe, suitable for all hob types, and by itself, oven safe up to 250 U acute C or 175 U acute C with the glass lid. And, as ever, it features Tefal's thermo spot heat indicator, so you know when the pan is ready to cook. During testing, our favorite feature was its sheer size and versatility. It's ideal for deep frying, huge fry-ups, and rice dishes, plus you can use it to make a variety of dishes from the included recipe booklet. The lid gives it an extra dimension. It's handy for popping on for a few minutes while sautéing to stop the contents from drying out or for minimizing splashes. Number 5. Stellar Rocktanium Stone Quartz Induction 24 cm Frying Pan. The best pan for family kitchens with a scratch-resistant finish that's more durable than conventional non-stick. Stellar's Rocktanium Frying Pan is great for busy lifestyles as well as uncompromising cooks. It's all down to its titanium-based PFOA-free coating, which, coupled with a thick aluminum body for even heat distribution, makes frying and flambing a cinch. A hollow stainless steel handle also makes the pan comfortable to move around while remaining sturdy. Compatible with all hob types including induction, one notable feature is its distinctive stone interior as an attractive change from the usual black. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 210 degrees centigrade, the pan also have a lifetime guarantee. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product's link.